Most people plug their devices into the cheapest power strip they can find, and that's exactly how laptops, TVs, and chargers get fried without warning. In this video, I'll show you Amazon's best-selling surge protectors, which ones actually protect your devices, and which models give you the best value for daily home and office use, especially with today's huge flash deals. The sixth product on our list is the Amazon Basic Surge Protector Power Strip. This is a simple, reliable option for everyday use and one of Amazon's most trusted bestsellers. With 6 AC outlets and a 6-foot extension cord, it's perfect for home offices, TVs, and basic charging setups. It offers 790 joule surge protection, helping protect your electronics from sudden power spikes and voltage fluctuations. The clean design and LED indicator make it easy to use without any unnecessary features. Right now, it's available with a 44% off deal, dropping from $19.99 to just $11.19. The purchase link is in the description below. The fifth product on our list is the QM-F wall charger surge protector. This model plugs directly into the wall and stays firmly in place, making it perfect for kitchens, offices, and bedrooms. With 5 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including USB-C, it helps eliminate cable clutter and save space. It features 1680 joule surge protection and smart USB charging that automatically delivers the right power to your devices. Wide outlet spacing also makes it easy to use larger adapters. Right now, it's available on Amazon with a 50% off deal, dropping from $19.99 to just $9.99. The purchase link is in the description below. The fourth product on our list is the Koni Surge Protector Power Strip. With 8 wide AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, it can power up to 12 devices at the same time. The wide spacing makes it easy to use large adapters without blocking other plugs. It also features 1080 joule surge protection and smart USB charging that automatically delivers faster and safer power to your devices. The flat plug and wall mount design make it perfect for desks, dorm rooms, and tight spaces. Right now, it's available on Amazon with a 60% off flash deal, dropping from $24.99 to just $9.98. The purchase link is in the description below. The third product on our list is the Lester Power Strip Surge Protector. With 12 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, it's ideal for home offices, gaming setups, and daily multi-device use. Its 2700 joule surge protection helps protect your electronics from power spikes and voltage fluctuations. The wide-spaced outlets make it easy to use large adapters, while smart USB charging delivers the right speed automatically. Right now, it's available on Amazon with a 62% off flash deal, dropping from $41.99 to just $15.97. The purchase link is in the description below. The second product on our list is the Anker Power Strip Surge Protector. This is one of Amazon's best-selling premium power strips, built for people who want both performance and safety in everyday use. With 12 AC outlets, 1 USB-C port, and 2 USB-A ports, it easily powers all your home and office devices from a single setup. The 20-watt USB-C port supports fast charging, letting you charge devices like an iPhone up to 50% in about 26 minutes. Perfect for busy days. Anker's 8-point safety system includes surge protection, fire resistance, overload protection, and temperature control to help protect both you and your electronics. Right now on Amazon, this model is available with a 67% off flash deal, dropping the price from $86.99 down to just $28, and check the link in the description for the latest deal. Our number one product on this list is the Yishu Surge Protector Power Strip. This is one of the best-selling power strips on Amazon, designed to make daily life easier when outlets are never enough. It features 8 wide AC outlets and 4 USB ports, allowing you to power up to 12 devices at the same time. The 3-sided design keeps plugs from blocking each other, even with larger adapters. Each USB port delivers fast and stable charging, including a USB-C port for modern devices. It's ETL certified and includes multiple safety protections, such as overload, short circuit, overvoltage, and overheat protection, helping protect your electronics from power surges and voltage spikes. Right now, it's available at a strong discount, and the purchase link is available in the description below.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.